July ni som sang ni som ni parugani Israel lampang hianin United States intelligence poimo deu an vasila chu chu nge kan ti chuan Iran hianin Trump hi tha an tumania hei an tha tum dan ti ang chi zong in Israel lampang hianin United States te hi intelligence an vashir ruani puirem rem khop mai Trump pa tunlai boruak an ei hot chho khop maya in han react donila chumi ma chon hei kan in holokang
ihun ngei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin itan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na ngoya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an khoi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te ino dorve nge don ne ni hin rin tak ani le riekila
Welcome back. Good Friday morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I'm Maria Bartiromo, and it is Friday, July 10th. It is 8:01 on the East Coast. We've got
pur tak le mayan reporter kan reactor po
breaking news this morning. CENTCOM confirming that the U.S. military hit roughly 90 targets across Iran, releasing footage.
Tu na mi khain lo hmuam an va han ka puak chiang ve US lampang hian hey truck missile ka chuna wang ve hey si deu ta hian pani oma hey truck lu
90 targets across Iran, releasing footage appearing to show strikes on an airport runway and missile launchers.
Missile ka chuna US lampang ina an bom dar lai avahan chiang kwang ngai ve
CENTCOM also saying the operation was aimed at protecting commercial shipping in the Strait of Hormuz. Tehran
hi kong ani mo nge ahan puak chiang mai ve
responded by launching strikes targeting Bahrain, Kuwait, and Qatar, escalating the conflict on its neighbors, threatening the initial agreement aimed at helping to end this conflict.
Iran po hi an fing pakar ve mo United States direct in an kap thei big silawa Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar an be thale ringot ze
Meanwhile, Israeli intelligence shared with the United States new information and evidence that shows an Iranian plot to assassinate President Trump underway for years.
The Wall Street Journal hetil hiron report ane a report tu te hin poimo ve ya The Wall Street Journal te chu rin tlak thokhat ve tak chu an ni hemi te hi mo hemi The Wall Street Journal te an report an chon Iran planned new Trump assassination attempt Israel warns US Israel te hian hetiang hi khoi information hi khoi atangin ngen hriat thei ngan ti chuan Israel te chon in Mossad an nei ya Mossad te hi khovela intelligence agency bomber te zinga mi a bomber po ti la kan soi sul thui lu tuk lowang hei Israel te hian an nei ani Mossad te hian spy hi mun ti da hian in an nei mai thei ya India ra ma te po Mizoram ma te po Mizoram chu ani lo mai thei ya ma se an mel maram Iran ate hi chonin an tam don lu tuk ti a hriat ani chu wan chonin khang an intelligence atang te khan Israel lampang hian he information sensitive lutuk poimo lutuk a he an lo hriat te po ani thei ya chu information sensitive tak mai chu Israel lampang hianin kum tam tak chung Iran hian Trump hi tha an lo tum to ania ti in Trump administration United States lampang te hi Israel lampang hianin an vashil theta an vashia tirta ani
Iran has publicly vowed to retaliate against the U.S. and President Trump over the 2020 killing of senior IRGC General Soleimani. The president acknowledged the threat earlier this week, telling reporters he's Iran's #1 target now.
Kum sang ni som hia US ina Iranian leader pakhat an tha kha ka Iran lampang hian in phubalak an la du thu le phubalak an la tum reng thu an confirm to bokani ti chuan an mani Iran official te po hian in Donald Trump hi Iran ina kan tha tumber le kan tha chak ber te jinga mi #1 ani tin Iran official te po hian in te hian in an soi heng he ani chu wang chuanin Trump te po hi ado thei rai mai tenga in negotiate lo hian in ama tha tum tu te hi chu han bom dar ta mai se ti hi ngai dan chete hi ka lo ne ve helai kil khor tak mai tang hian mo he ka ngai dan chete hi poimo view chuang lo ma se ka riek na hianin ka soilang ve du shrim shrim ani
Watch.
The life of a president is very dangerous. It's 5.2%. You know what a race car driver is? 1/10 of 1%. It's a very dangerous profession.
president hi thil la om takani na la om takani top mai ni
No, I'm number one on the kill list for Iran.
number 1 on the kill list Iran hianin mi tha tum list hi lo nei ta se tu ta pakhat na chu Donald Trump hi ni ti hi ama Trump pangei po hi ni na in pomani he thil hi NATO summit tu nai loka Turkey an ne ya khanin Trump hi ni na soi chuwa ni a soi chuwa na mun le a soi chuwa na stage ate a soi chuwa hun ate hi hengte hi apoi mo train a timing hi Trump hi chon in a thlang thiam thin a hun le mun a hi mo.
This all follows the funeral procession for Iran's former supreme leader, where mourners were seen carrying banners calling for President Trump's death, including one reading, "We will kill Trump."
Khamenei an vui ni Khamenei an vui an supreme leader an vui he an supreme leader an vui na hianin an supreme leader hi thade win vui ve mai se an supreme leader hi an vui le ni ti te tilang se tok mai turania amaro chu an supreme leader an vui na hmuna hian an supreme leader an vui na le kan tuar hle ani ti lampang ai ma khan Trump pakan that don ani ti lampang kha ring zok that mai ni irana hemo.
Joining me now is Heritage Foundation Vice President of National Security and former Deputy National Security Advisor to President Trump, Victoria Coates. Victoria, great to have you this morning. Thanks so much for being here. We should say that Axios is reporting that regional mediators, including the Qataris and the Pakistanis, are working to de-escalate the situation between the U.S. and Iran while trying to revive talks on a nuclear deal. Is that possible, even as the Iranian leadership says they're going to kill Trump?
Iran ho to te hianin Trump he kan that don ani anti lai hianin Iran IO le US Iran IO po ni sian ho ramdang Iran IO entiran he Iran IO in Pakistan mo Qatar mo khang te le United States lampang te hian he deal hi siam an la tum ni na langa heng hi thil ti the ani don ami Iran lampang hianin Trump hi tha an tum ti kan threto box ya oh.
Well, good morning, Maria. I mean, that certainly complicates matters. And, you know, for the Iranians, it hardly seems to be bad manners to be threatening to kill President Trump. They burn.
Hey, he's on in Tilzu at the Kirvede Dona. Mase, Hetile Hizu, Iran Tan his one in Ngaya, Hien and Nato in Alaga. Hetinga meet her and Tumatehi, Heng Tehi and Nizu and Ngaya and Nehe, and Nitan's on in Til normal and
a big effigy of him at that funeral yesterday, made out of Legos of all things. It's really kind of crazy. But at the same time, you know, everybody wants to see the situation de-escalate. There is a good deal on the table for Iran. They should just take it. They should give up their nuclear program, open up the strait, and start to liberalize politically. But they're not doing that. Instead, they're taking...
Deal shada ko ma Iran tan hian straight off Hormuz te hona honga nuclear deal te hi accept ve mai se tin politics lama te po ti hianin lebin hanin thak thleng deu se an ni tan hi chon in deal hi a thakop mai ni deal shada kan chop chua saka heng te po hi an ni chon in du ve mai se thamai turani amaro chu tun thleng hianin la du lo wani ama khop mai tun thleng hian an la du theilo
pot shots at their neighbors. And one other thing, though, that I found interesting is there was reporting overnight that Bahrain and Kuwait participated in some of these strikes on Iran. If that's true, that's a big shift.
Bahrain le Kuwait te henu hi Trump patana mi poi motak nitina so yang ang pheng ha chon National Security Advisor ati maya in ka ria henu mi poi motak Trump patana poi motak ina tuna athuron soikha apoi mosin ke ina news ka lo ria dan chuan nizana khan Bahrain le Kuwait te hianin nizana khanin Iran be ania chu Iran be na chuan Bahrain le Kuwait te po hianin Iran hi an kap tel ve ti hi ka lo hre bokani atiani khami kha athu soi kha adik tak tak ani chuan tu da hianin Iran hi US in an be ya chu mai banga chuanin Bahrain le Kuwait te po hianin an be te po ni the amaro chu hata taka khanin Bahrain le Kuwait te khanin an be mol top lo the a chan chu Bahrain le Kuwait United States Sipai om te khan an mani Sipai om na mun atang khan Iran te po an lo ka ve te po ni theya kakha news 10 khat chuan Bahrain le Kuwait te pon Iran an kap tiang dei te po han lo soi thei ve ni ngo chu taka chu nia thil ni na dik taka kha kan zuk shelawa ama ro chu thil ni om the kha chu tuna sonin kan shefia thuak thei chho chan ta nei
towards a greater regional engagement against Iran, which will isolate them.
So, I thought it was really interesting what former Florida Governor Jeb Bush said. He is praising President Trump for what he called the crippling of Iran's military thanks to President Trump. But he's also raising the alarm on Cuba and reports that Havana now possesses about 301...
Okay, tu da chuanin a news poi mo chin kan riek zo to Israel lampangin United States intelligence poi mo ta kan share chu chung ngan ti chuanin Iran hianin Trump hi tha an tum ani tha an tum dan te po Israel hianin arukin United States te po hi an va share ve thawang ke ni na kan lo share ve lem lo po hian mo chuan Trump hi chuanin zep lo chuan United States president om to zong zinga chuanin Iran hi hetianga wallout takle direct taka tiang angan na sa taka labengam om chunni in kala ria ke ma po hian chuwa chuanin Trump hi fakapu ve khop mai a hoi sena hian fakapu mi tam tak chuanin awa take o te pontia tin indo te hi ava tru lo o te ponti kha kha chu ngai da nei nang thelo ama ro chu Trump hi chu fakapu ka tia chuan tuna hianin Iran hianin Cuba hena hian kamikaze drones kan ti ang chi kha zathum lai mai an va pe ti report aron omle to tlat mai ani Cuba hi America ram nen hianin in nai thokhat ve viawa Iran te nen an ti khin thot phei chon mo chu wang chuanin America hian hi chu angai thu tak viawang tin Cuba ram po hi Cuba te po hi engtin emoni tak ala ti mai thei ani achan chu Iran atang hianin kamikaze drones zathum lai mai an lei tlat mai ole khati zong kha tun tum news atana kan han ri kan han soi zau thei ani video lai mulai theu do ne